Hey, I'm Rachel, a furniture guru at Kimiko Designs. Sarah, Kimiko's media maven, joins me for a discussion about Matterport 3D virtual tours and the opportunity it offers furniture dealers. What could a furniture dealer use a 3D virtual tour for?
So there are really two main opportunities dealers can utilize 3D tours for. The first being their showrooms and the second being project sites. We live in a 24/7 instant gratification world, so 3D tours offer continuous accessibility regardless of business hours. 3D tours are also such a fantastic marketing tool where dealers can feature their product in the showroom, but also various stages of a project cycle.
What features are included in a 3D virtual tour?
One of the most visible features are pop-up tags. They can be attached to an item of furniture, a room, or any visual element within the tour. And pop-up tags are able to include text like item and project info, PDFs like a cut sheet or customization options, and links to a video or your company website. We can also include high-res still photos that can be captured from Matterport software. While these photos do not replace traditional marketing photography, they are fantastic for social media, case studies, and proposals. And one of the more popular features is custom branding, where dealers can add their company name and logo to their 3D tour for a truly custom experience for their clientele.
What sets a dealer's virtual tour apart from others when captured by Kimiko?
While virtual tours are readily accessible, they are not widely used in the commercial furniture industry. So we saw a need, and with over 20 years in the industry, we take that knowledge and pair it with our Matterport expertise and capture spaces in a way a standard pro cannot. We consider the flow of a space and the subject matter to capture the ideal perspective instead of focusing on covering square footage. We even offer consulting services for those outside of Texas. So what I do is I advocate for the dealer by vetting a Matterport Pro in their area, manage the project from beginning to end, and ensure the final tour meets our standards of excellence.
Thank you, Sarah, for sharing your insight with us. If you're interested in learning more about Kimiko's digital services, you can email Sarah at digitalmedia@kimikodesigns.com.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Head over to our playlist for more furniture fun. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and let us know what else you'd like to learn from us. See you in the next one.